Hello guys, today we learn Razor syntax in MVC. How we write code server side and HTML code in Vue. Let us understand. For this you have need Visual Studio 2015 and MVC version 5. What is Razor? Razor is one of the Vue engines supported in ASP.NET MVC. Razor allows you to write mix of HTML and server-side coding using C# or Visual Basic. Razor have a file extension .vbhtml in the case of VB and .cshtml in the case of VB. C#. Razor syntax have a many benefits like compact. Razor syntax is compact, which enables you to minimize number of characters and keystrokes required to write a code. Easy to learn. Razor syntax is easy to learn where we have to use our familiar language C# or Visual Basic. Intellisense Razor syntax also support statement completion within the Visual Studio. Let us understand how we write Razor syntax. Let us start with at the rate symbol to write server side C# or VB code with HTML code in Vue, like at the rate of variable name to display a value of server side variable. Let us understand here we have a Razor syntax, and Razor syntax have a view HTML. Now there is no blank view. Now you have to write the server side coding, like you write only at the rate of, and now to display date time put here date time dot now. In the case of single variable, no need to write to semicolon. Now run the application. See here you get the current date 27/7/2019. Now if you want to define more than one variable, then we have to write here like at the rate of, and write a syntax this one like where a date variable and store date dot to date time dot now to short date string put here. This is first variable defined here. Now want to second variable like message and put here any message hello ASP.NET MVC learn Razor syntax how to write and put here semicolon. Now want to display in view HTML, so only you have to write here at the rate of date 1. Here you have write date 1 and put here like h1, and in h2 tag you have put here at the rate of message. Now run the application, refresh the application. Now you get the result like current date 27/7/19 and hello ASP.NET MVC learn their syntax. It is the string variable. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.